Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into an artwork. To do this, I'm going to use a free-to-use AI tool called FlexClip. To get started with FlexClip, just search in your browser. This is a web-based tool. Here it is. Go ahead and sign up with a Google account or create an account, a free account on this platform. And now here, go to these AI tools. Now to get started, go and click on this AI image to image generator. Now what you need to do here is to go ahead and upload a photo that you want to transform. And you can see here you can transform your photo and there are so many things you can do with it. The artworks that you can make just using your image. So we are supposed to upload our photo or the image you want to change into the artwork into this tool. So we shall upload it here. I already have this photo. I want to drag and drop it here. This is the photo that I want us to transform. To get started, we have various styles you can choose from. As you can see, we have a list of styles here. These are the new AI tools you can use to create a Christmas art on your image. And we also have the anime styles. We also have the painting. You use this if you want to turn your photo into a paint. You have two ways. You can either go ahead and describe the image briefly to get more accurate results, or you can just as well go ahead and choose the style you want. You can also transform it into a 3D. You can see the 3D version is here. So let's say I want to transform this photo into 3D cartoon. I have here 3D options. So go ahead and click on the style that you wish to use. And once you are done, click on generate down here. As you can see, I have 2 trials. Initially there were 3. You'll be given 3 free trials to generate your artwork using this FlexClip AI tool. So be patient as it generates. So as it generates, I'll ask you to kindly subscribe to this channel and also like this video. I'll be so much grateful as you support me. Now here we go. Our artwork has been generated and here we have the results. So you can hover over it and compare. And as you can see, these are very beautiful arts that we have just generated. Now we have 2 options here. You can either choose to download these or even both of them. So download the one you feel you are okay with it. So with this free trial version, it will have a watermark, a small watermark at the bottom right, but that should not draw you back. Just go ahead and download the image. And here it is. So let's go ahead and open it. There we go, a very beautiful artwork of your photo. So that's it. That's how we can generate artworks using images with FlexClip. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe. Bye bye for now.